में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशाएं, मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाए कुछ कर जाए।
झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। अपने ही हाथों रचा स्वयं, अब तुमसे मिटने का खौफ नहीं। तुम हालातों की भट्टी में जब जब मुझको झोंकोगे, तुम हालातों की भट्टी में जब जब मुझको झोंकोगे, तब तब कर सोना बनूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे। A very good morning to one and all. I am Riya Jatt
And I am Riya Savrimuttu, and we welcome you all on behalf of Don Bosco family in the assembly of Class 12 Science B. Swami Vivekananda once in his address to the youth of India said, "A brave, frank, courageous, clean-hearted and aspiring youth is the only foundation on which the future of any nation can be built."
Today, we the students of Class 12 Science B would try to inspire and motivate the youth of India by a story of two youths who faced many hardships in their lives but did not accept failure.
और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
Hello everyone. Hi. Maybe let's have some music, please. अरे यार मैं तो हमेशा बजाता हूँ. Let's play something. सब याद करे परिवार में, मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की, जग मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी, मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की। तू भी दिन चढ़े, तू भी दिन चले, तू भी बंधु संभालूंगी। तू भी दिन चढ़े, तू भी दिन चले, तू भी बंधु संभालूंगी। Every time, every minute, all the day, तू भी बंधु संभालूंगी। तू भी दिन चढ़े, तू भी दिन चले, तू भी बंधु संभालूंगी। मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी। मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी। कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए, कुछ देर ये दिल भी खो जाए, बिगड़ करे इस तरह से चले, छोड़ टूटे यहाँ से वहाँ। सूरज डूबा है यारो, नशे के मारो रस्ते, बोला तो सारे गजबार के। सूरज डूबा है
सच यार, I can't believe you. आज पढ़ाते भी will be such a big decision. What do you expect?
विवेक बी कैसे हुआ?
Well, I will just say follow your dreams.
चलो गाइस, हम गेटिंग लेट। अभी कहाँ? अभी तो पार्टी।
अपनी भैंस चराए।
बस आज की रात है, कल से वही से अपने हैं, जी भर के नाच लो ना, घर वाले ना मापे हैं, जब पे अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। बाद में न कहना कुछ भी, पहले ही दे दूं वार्निंग। पार्टी चलेगी टिल 6 in the morning। जी भर के ना चले वे भी नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल। आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो यार तेरा कर लेगा हैंडल। सूचना जनहित में जारी, जिसको अपनी जान प्यारी, चुपचाप वो फ्लोर पे आए, फ्लोर पे आके नाचे गाए, नखरे वखरे ना दिखाए, शर्म तो करते बाय बाय। माइकल जैक्सन वाले 2-3 एक्शन करके दिखाए। पार्टी करनी है हम पार्टी करेंगे, किसी के भी पापा से नहीं करेंगे। हम हैं बेटे हम, बाकी सारे पानी कम।
हाँ उठो तुम भी। हाँ स्टॉप।
मैंने तो सुना स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन एंटीबायोटिक अच्छे होते हैं। सॉरी यार, यू नो ना नेक्स्ट मंथ आई हैव टू गो टू इंग्लैंड।
England, wow, for vacation.
नो यार, शी इज गोइंग फॉर पैरा बैडमिंटन वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप।
Wow, that's great.
कम लेट्स हैव सम स्नैक्स। Who is she? She is not from our school group.
Yes, she is Mansi Joshi, Anjali's best friend. They work together in Anjali's company.
Oh, I see. I've heard her name somewhere, but I don't remember where.
Maybe in news. She is para badminton world champion. What is she that? Mansi Joshi? Yes.
But if she was working with Anjali, why is she a badminton player now? You should ask this question to Mansi. By the way, this is Mansi, my best friend. Hello everyone. Hi. Nice to meet you. Can I join you?
Sure.
Mansi, tell the reason why you left our company.
So, in my childhood, I used to play badminton with my dad at the age of 6, and then I got a job as a software engineer after graduating as a electronic engineering. One day when I was going to office,
with an accident. When I opened my eyes, I was in hospital and I found that my one leg had to be amputated. After 45 days of hospitalization, I got discharged from the hospital. For almost an year, I was so depressed as I was not able to stand even without any support.
ऐसा क्यों बेज़ुबां सा ये जहां है, खुशी के पल कहाँ ढूंढूं, बेनिशान सा वक्त भी यहाँ है।
Then, my father motivated me to practice yoga, meditation, and badminton to regain my physical and mental fitness.
बुझ के चलना, मरना जीना, मर के जीना, मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने छीना। गिरना उठना, उठ के चलना, चढ़ जा अंबर जीना जीना, याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की, पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी ना। जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों, जब जिंदगी है एक ही, दो बार सोचना क्यों। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है, मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं, मुझे दास्तां बनना है।
I started playing badminton as my rehabilitation. This gave me new hope, or I can say new life. One day, my father took me to a world famous para dancer and told me how gracefully she danced even without one leg.
संग्राम की विश्व के कल्याण की धर्म अधर्म आदि अनंत सत्य असत्य कलेश कलंक स्वार्थ की कथा परमार्थ की शक्ति है भक्ति है जन्मों की मुक्ति है जीवन का ये संपूर्ण सार है युग युग से कण कण में सृष्टि के दर्पण में वेदों की कथा अपार है कर्मों की गाथा है देवों की भाषा है सदियों के इतिहास का प्रमाण है कृष्णा की महिमा है गीता की गरिमा है ग्रंथों का ग्रंथ ये महान है महाभारत
She inspired and urged me to try out for the national team. I tried and got selected for Asian Para Games and played my first international tournament in Spain with the help of prosthetic leg.
And then I never stopped. I strongly believe for one who dare to dream, there has a whole new world to win. Yes, definitely. We are the youth of India. We want to stand on our own feet and live the life of pride and dignity.
घायल परिंदा है तू दिखला दे जिंदा है तू बाकी है तुझ में हौसला तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे कर डाले तू जो फैसला
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदे हर मैदान फतेह
कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता जीत का पता
कहने को चल रहा है तू लोहे का चल रहा है तू टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो
कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदे हर मैदान फतेह
कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान
Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. This is the only way in which we can build a nation.
Let us now talk to some real life youth who have excelled in their own fields and let us know their experiences.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Garima Ashk. I am an obstetric and gynecologist working in Medical College Shahdol, and I would like to thank my friend Vaishali for inviting me in this seminar, Dare to Dream, and I would also like to thank Don Bosco JR College, Yerwada, Pune, and though the journey of MBBS is very difficult, it requires lots of hard work and sleepless night and posting in medical college, and in post graduation there is night duties and hectic work schedule. But whenever I see the happy face of mother and cry of a newborn, it took all my pain. And lastly, I want to say that dream big, stay positive, work hard, and enjoy the journey, because hard work always pay off. Thank you.
Hello visionaries of Don Bosco Junior College, this is Ashwati here. I work as a journalist with Times of India's newspaper in education. So my journey of becoming a journalist was not a cakewalk at all. It was full of struggles and it was full of hardships. It was during my class 8th that I realized I wanted to become a journalist, and I lacked proper guidance, and my parents were totally against of me pursuing journalism because they thought that journalism is a risky field to be. So I was made to take up biology in my class 11th, and I had to take up BSc computer science in my college, and I ended up a job in an IT field. Though the IT field job took care of all my bills, paid me a good salary, somewhere I was not happy with what I was doing. I was not happy with where I was. This issue led me to change nearly 8 organizations, and in this 8 organization I worked as a telecalling executive, salesperson, marketing manager, marketing executive, public relation officer, event manager, production assistant and whatnot. Even after changing 8 organizations, I was not satisfied. I was not happy with what I was doing, and I could not sleep peacefully during the night. So it was then I realized that it was not the job or the organization that gave me sleepless night, but it was my dream of becoming a journalist that did not let me sleep peacefully. It was my thirst to pursue my passion of becoming a journalist that did not let me sleep peacefully. So at that point of time, I decided that I will pursue my passion, because it's never too late to pursue passion. At the age of 25, I enrolled myself in postgraduate journalism course. When I joined the course, there were a lot of people who made fun of me, who mocked me, who said that I will not be able to crack the exams or I will fail in the exams. But nothing deterred my confidence. I went ahead because I wanted to make my dream into reality. I wanted to become a successful journalist. I wrote the exams and I did fairly well in the exams, and I landed up at Times of India as a journalist. So, and as a journalist today, I have changed lives of a lot of kids. I have given them a platform to express themselves, to express their thoughts, to write articles and whatnot. I am very proud that even at the age of 25, I had the guts to go behind my dream and pursue it. So what I am coming to tell you is that, see, dreams are very, very powerful. It is the dreams that will change your life. So dare to dream and ensure that your dreams are bigger than your fears. Thank you.
Thank you so much for motivating us.
Now, I would like to invite our principal, Father Ajay, to say a few inspirational words.
Good morning, respected Father Manager, Managing Committee, staff, teachers, and you, my dear students. Today's topic is Youth Dare to Dream, an ambassador of hope. In today's world, thousands, 10,000s, and even millions of people don't dare to dream, have no hope, and are without God in the world. They need to hear and believe the life-changing message of hope. In our weakness, in our suffering, we are in a form of dying to ourselves and often feel meaningless. Therefore, we need to have hope. Hope in our weakness and hope in our suffering. Because Hope dares us to dream. It inspires us to see the things that are unseen. It ignites an insatiable desire for joy. Therefore, today's topic is very apt for today's youngsters. Dare to dream, an ambassador of hope. Allow me to use few quotations. I have undertaken something very big. I have dared to dream and act. Sometimes I am not sure. By Mukta Singh. Until you dare to take on new challenges, you will not discover your full potential. By Bernard Kelvin Clive. The question that we may ask today, why we should dare to dream? Firstly, you have got to have a dream. Dreams are very powerful internal motivators. Dream motivates oneself. Therefore, through dream, great achievements are created twice. First in the mind and then in a concrete form. Therefore, have a dream. Second, when everything seems to go wrong, you can either give up or dare to dream, which will transform you into something stronger. Third, do not be afraid to admit your ignorance. And this is where hope plays a major role. The great philosopher Socrates said, "All I know is that I don't know." Fourth, even if you fail, don't give up. Don't give up on dreams. Don't give up on hope. Carry on. And finally, my dear students, my teachers, let me conclude. Winning is not about making the other person lose. It is about stretching yourself to your own limits. Once so stretched, you will realize the true extent of your potential. I wish and pray that all of you dare to dream and become ambassadors of hope for yourself and for others. All the best and congratulations to 12 Science B.
Thank you so much, Father, for your words of motivation.
Now, we are at the conclusion of our today's assembly. So, I would like to call our class teacher, Miss Vaishali Vishwakarma.
He is the future. He is the hero. And he has no fear. A very good morning to one and all. I'm saying this line for the youth of our country. Yes, youth is the future of our country. Youth is the best time. The way in which this period is utilized decides the nature of coming years in your life as well as of your surroundings. A nation is strong if its youth is strong, as youth have all the power. Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a former president and also a very great scientist. He always talks to youth and he always motivates and inspires the youth not only by his words, but we have so many exemplaries in our country who are the icons of youth. Take any field of your choice and do your best to excel in it. When you study to your best. When you play to your best. Identify your strength and work on your weaknesses. Overcome all the fears and cross all the obstacles. Keep working hard and follow your dreams. We must remember that youth is not any age, it's a mindset. Yes, keep your mind young and you always will be young. Thank you so much and
for your love, support and guidance. this assembly wouldn't be a successful one without your support.
At last, we would again like to thank our principal, Father Ajit, our supervisor, Leo sir, and our class teacher for giving us a chance to portray our talents.
So, thank you everyone and have a nice day.
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला।
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही